Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English podcast.
Hi, friends. We are so happy you are here today.
Today, we will learn something very important.
How to say please and thank you in English.
That's right. Using polite words is very important. It makes people happy and your English sound friendly.
Yes, and we will teach you simple sentences you can use every day.
First, let's learn how to say please.
You can use please when you ask for something politely.
For example, can you help me, please?
Or, please give me the pen.
Repeat after me. Can you help me, please?
Please give me the pen.
Very good. Using please is polite and shows respect. Now, let's learn thank you.
You can say thank you when someone helps you or gives you something.
For example, thank you for your help.
Or, thank you very much.
Repeat after me. Thank you for your help.
Thank you very much.
Good. You can also say,